In this video, we'll be showing you how you can get Exitlag for your PC. Well, first, you just need to access their homepage, which is the exitlag.com. So enter that into your website, and this page will be introduced to you. As you can see, there are different options to choose from for their subscription, which are their monthly, annually, quarterly, with different chat prices. Well, you can choose them by clicking this or hovering into the solo, duo, and squad. Once you have decided what you want to subscribe into, you just need to click the subscribe now. This will redirect you into their payment page. Now you need to create an account in order to log in or get the Exitlag. So click the create your account. And after creating the account, you need to log in here and then fill in all these billing details. If you're using credit card, PayPal, or other kind of payments, well, you can also pay using your crypto assets. And that's it. That's how you can get Exitlag on your PC, and thank you for listening.